Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car here. Okay, please subscribe, share and like. We have this car, Toyota 2017. The remote doesn't work, so we don't know. The light is coming on, but still remote doesn't work. I don't know if he lost the programming or anything, but let us try to see if we can program it, or at least I have another one. We're gonna compare between the two why it doesn't want to work. So I'm gonna go to IMO. Ignition is on. I will accept the disclaimer. Then I go by VIN number, manual detect. Let me get the communication, then we see what happened. There is 3 cars, so this is Toyota. Say okay. Camry. Okay. Control unit, remote learning. I will try his own key. Door must be open. Okay. Now you're gonna push door lock and unlock together. I wanna try to program this one first and then see what happens. Okay, within 30 seconds, push lock and unlock and then control it. Okay. So, I didn't do it. So I have to do it quick first. It's different. I have to do it, then press OK. Okay. This one, take it. Let me try that one. It took it also. Thank you. It take 2. Say okay. Okay. Complete. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the door. I will take this one out. Now, let's see, lock. I hear it make noise. So let me check the other one. This is working. If it doesn't work, I will try one more. Okay. Let me do it. I'm gonna put the, okay, I push it, it beep. Say complete. Let me see now one more. It beep, but it never take it. Let me see this one. Okay, this one work. But his doesn't work. So it looks like this is no good. The remote is no good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, or like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.